Materala Solmalu. Hey everyone, today we are here at Udupi district in Karnataka and we are witnessing the culture of the people of Tulunadu, the Daivaradhane, the Bhutakola. Bhutaradhane is the worship of local deity of the people of Tulunadu, the coastal Karnataka. The local deity, also known as Daiva, is worshipped in many forms like Varta, Panjurli, Maisandaya. The ritual begins with the paraphernalia of the Bhuta being brought to the shrine, which serves as the venue for the festival. The Nalike medium prepares for the impersonation of the spirit with the recital from the Pardana of the Bhuta or Daiva. After this, the medium starts putting on makeup and dressing up in his costume. As the medium begins to dance, the spirit enters his body. In this vlog, the Daiva which is being worshipped is Mahakali. The jingling instrument that the Daiva is holding is called Gaggara. The Daiva is now welcoming the gathering. The flower of the arecanut is considered sacred and is used by the Daiva. This is called Pingara. Two people hold the torches along with the medium at all times. These torches are called Maritute or Jitige in Tulu. Thus, the entrance of spirit into this world is restrained. The medium's dance gains more force as the procession continues. Offerings like saris will be offered to the Daiva by the people and the dancer will wear it during his performance in Kola. This 7 feet tall bamboo structure is called Ani, which weighs around 10 to 15 kgs, including the 3 chicken tied to it. The 3 chicken are the sacrifice for Mahakali. The history of Bhutakola is unknown, but some of the scholars suppose that this tradition was probably originated during 700 BCE by the migration of early Tulu tribes, introducing the worship of Bermir, Brahma, Panjurli, the boar spirit, and other spirits. Although Bhutakola is a modified form of prehistoric religious rituals. A Bhutakola or Nema is typically an annual ritual of performance where local spirits or daivas are being channelized by ritual specialists from certain scheduled castes such as Nalike, Pambada or Parava communities. The word Kola is conventionally reserved for the worship of a single spirit, whereas a Nema involves the channelizing of several spirits in hierarchical order. Pardhanas are the part of Tuluva oral literature. Here, the Mahakali is trying to put her kid to sleep by singing songs in the form of Pardhana. In Kolas and Nemas, family and village disputes are referred to the spirit for mediation. The Mahakali is sitting on the Uyale or swing and providing her judgment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.